फ्रेंड, आज के वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द डीएक्स इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्स मीन्स 1 to 10 in the T2G and EG set of the orbital on the basis of high spin octahedral complexes. The distribution कसं होते dx electrons on the basis of high spin complexes in octahedral on the basis of high spin in octahedral complexes. High spin complexes means Wickfield ligand. So the distribution of the dx electron x means 1 to 10 electron. The first configuration we see the d1 means in the d orbital only one electron, then d1. So this electron in high spin complexes, this electron goes in this one. So in the d1 is equal to the t2g1 eg0. So p, to find out the d1 in the p, q, n, s and m, means that p is equal to the total number of electron in the T2G orbital. Q means the total number of electron in the EG orbital. N means total number of unpaired electron in T2G and EG orbital. S means resultant spin. How to find out the resultant spin? N by 2. And the M is total number of electron pair in T2G and EG orbital. Then find out the P. P means total number of electrons present in T2G means 1. Q. Q means total number of electrons present in EG means 0. The third is N. N means the total number of unpaired electrons in the T2G and EG set of orbitals means 1. S is equal to the resultant spin means N by 2 means 1 by 2. And M is equal to the total number of pair electron in the T2G and EG orbital means 0. Second is D2 configuration means 2 electrons, 1, 2, 1. It goes to the T2G set. Then the D2 is equal to the T2G2 EG0. Then then how to find out the P, Q, N, S, M. P means total number of electrons present in the T2G means 2. Q means total number of electrons present in EG set 0. N means total number of unpaired electron in the T2G and EG set means 2. S means the resultant spin means N by 2 means 1 and M is equal to the 0. Third example is that the D3 means the in 5D orbitals 3 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These 3 electrons go in T2G set. Then the D3 is equal to the T2G3 EG0. So P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 0, N is equal to 3, S is equal to 3 by 2 and M is equal to the 0. In the D4 configuration, the 4 electron means 1, 2, 3, 4 goes in hypothetical degenerate d orbital 3, 4. In this 4 electron, the 3 electron go in the T2G set 1, 2 and 3 and 1 electron go in EG set means this is high spin complexes or Wickfield ligand. So the 1 electron go in EG set. So in the D4 is equal to the T2G3 EG1. In the P is equal to 3, number of electrons present in the T2G set. Q is equal to 1 means number of electrons present in the EG set. Number of unpaired electron 4, 4 by 2 2 and the 0. The fifth is D5. The 5 degenerate d orbitals 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 electron go in T2G set 1, 2, 3 and 2 electron go in EG set. Then the D5 is equal to the T2G3 and the EG2. So in P means number of electrons present in T2G set means 3. Q means number of electrons present in EG set means 2. N means total number of unpaired electron is 5. S means resultant spin means n by 2 means n is 5 by 2 and the m is equal to total number of pair electron in the T2G and EG set means 0. Now 6 is D6. The D6 is equal to 6 electron in 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the D6 configuration, there are the 6 electron. On the basis, the distribution of the 6 electron on the basis of high spin complexes. High spin complexes means weak field ligand. So the first 3 electron go in T2G set means 1, 2, 3. And the 4 and 5th electron go in EG set 4, 5 and 6 electron go in T2G set. So in the distribution of the dx electron in the T2G and EG set is 1, 2, 3, 4. The T2G the 4 and EG 2. Then the P is equal to the number of electrons present in T2G means 4. Number of electrons present in EG Q is equal to means 2. Total number of unpaired electron 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pair electron means 4. S is equal to the resultant spin n by 2 means 2 and the m is equal to number of pair electron in the T2G and EG set means 1. 7. The D7 means 7 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the high spin complexes, the first 3 electron go in the T2G set 1, 2, 3. Then 4th and 5th in EG set 4, 5 and 6, 7 goes in T2G set. So the D7 is equal to the T2G 5 and EG2 in high spin complexes. So P is equal to the number of electrons present in T2G is 5, in EG 2, number of unpaired electron 1, 2, 3 and the resultant spin means n by 2 means the 3 by 2 and the number of pair electron is 2. In the D8 8 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Six, 7 and 8. Then the first 3 electron go in T2G set 1, 2, 3. 4th and 5th in EG and the 6, 7, 8 goes in T2G set. The number of then the D8 is equal to the T2G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and EG2. So P is equal to the number of electrons present in T2G set is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Q means number of electrons present in T2G set. EG set is equal to the 2. Number of unpaired electron in the T2G and EG set is 2. Means 2 upon S means resultant spin means n by 2 means 2 by 2 means 1 and the m is equal to number of the pair electron present in the T2G and EG set means 1, 2, 3. In D9 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the distribution of the D9 electron in the T2G and EG set on the basis of high spin complexes. High spin complexes means weak field ligand. So the first 3 electron go in T2G set means 1, 2, 3. Then 4th and 5th electron go in EG set. Then 6, 7 and 8 electron go in T2G set. 6, 7 and 8, and then 9 electron go in EG set. So the distribution of ds electron, so the D9 is equal to the T2G 6 and EGC. So P is equal to, so the P is equal to the number of electron pair in the T2G set is 6. Q is equal to the 3 number of electrons present in EG set. S is equal to, N. N means number of unpaired electron is 1. S is equal to 1 by 2. And M is equal to the number of pair electron 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 10 is D10 means 10 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then in the D10 configuration on the basis of high spin, first 3 electron go in T2G set 1, 2, 3. Then 4th and 5th electron go in EG set. Then 6, 7 and 8 go in T2G set. And the 9 and 10 in go in EG set. So the D10 is equal to the T2G 6 and EG 4. So P is equal to 6 means number of electron pair in T2G. Q means number of electron pair in EG means 4. N is number of unpaired electron means 0. The S is equal to the resultant spin. Resultant spin means N by 2. So S is equal to 0. And the number of pair electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This all about the distribution of the dx electron 1 to 10 electron in the octahedral complexes on the basis of high spin complexes. Thank you.